What up, everybody? Today we will be opening football cards. Okay. And this is like one of my favorite. Oh, is the subside. So we have this guy. This guy kind of looks.
How do you do
this
a
guy?
Yeah. All right.
This guy.
We have her put that thing on.
This guy's name.
Periodically when you know what she's doing.
DJ.
I am, baby. I know. It's a hard time for all of
I
us.
don't know.
All right, love you.
And
Yeah,
then we have
I got a
this
football
guy. This guy seems a little bit good. I don't know.
Love you.
I got Marvin Harrison Jr. Then we have Geno Smith, I think.
Dad, how do you do the video?
We have this guy.
Dad, how do you do
We got a shiny one. Is this guy good, Dad? We got a shiny one.
William, do you open yours? Grab your boxes.
Dad, is this guy good?
Oh, cool. Let me see. Jokic or Jokic or who did you get?
He's shiny.
Oh, football player.
Is he good?
Jock? Jock?
Yeah, he's like a rookie, like a young guy.
Isn't Jock?
Top team cards.
Isn't Jock?
Here, put him in there. No, he isn't the guy I was thinking of.
Oh,
All right, bring over your card. Liam, are you going to record or no?
I didn't get a card with anyone on it. Oh, I forgot to show. We got this guy.
Opening baseball cards.
No, we're opening today football.
Yeah, I know. But I call it baseball.
Yeah.
So,
No way.
What?
Josh Allen.
Yeah, that's a good people.
All right, let me see your book. Here, be careful.
wait, is that good?
That's a good one. Open yours. Yeah. Here, Liam, give me that one. This is a good one. Here, let me see your card. Let me see your bet thing. You gotta put it right in there.
I need to put it in a special place.
I know. Bring your book over
No,
here. I'm gonna
I
help
know
you.
a special place.
All right.
Wow, this guy looks good. Dad?
Let me see here.
The end of the book. Dad,
Yeah,
I'm
he's
putting
really
him
good.
in the end of
This is
the
a good
book.
card.
Really?
Yeah.
Dad,
Could
I'm
it be
putting him
worth
at the
anything?
end.
I mean, when you're older, yeah. That's why we're saving these now.
87.
End.
Whoa. Oh, I forgot to show.
Dad,
Alright,
Dad,
we
do
also
the video.
have this guy.
Dad, do the video for me. Dad, do the video for me. Dad.
Yeah, I am. Look. Oh, look.
Percy Jr.
Look, you got Brandon Ayuk. You got Sean.
Whoa, another one. Another
Tyrone
shiny one.
Tracy. That's a good one.
The back looks cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then we got this
Liam, bring over your
guy.
book so we can put him in there while we're doing this.
No, let me just show it on then.
Oh my god, another shiny
This guy just won
one.
the Super Bowl.
What?
But I'm getting all these stuff.
Yeah, this is a good one for this year. This year he won the Super Bowl.
But I'm getting all
Liam, let me
these.
see that book. We gotta save some.
I'm getting
This
all
is a good card too. Is this? Where's your red pack? Let me see who you got.
What?
Let me see yours. Let me see.
No, look at this. Is that good?
Yeah. This is a good one. Let me see this. Let me see who else you got in your red pack.
Oh my god, I keep getting like shiny ones.
Yep.
I forgot to show them that.
Here, John, let's put them in your book, guys, while we're doing this. Wait.
What?
You got Patrick Mahomes.
Is that good?
Alvin Kamara, Derrick Henry, Lamar Jackson.
What?
Wait, let me see your pack. Let me see that. Or no, this part. Yeah, I'm sure these are all good too. You're squeezing the crap. You're breaking it. They're not gonna be worth it.
I have to show them that.
Yeah, but the more you break the card, yeah, they're all good.
What?
DK Metcalf. That knows him.
Yo, guys,
Alright,
we got
before you
some
break the
good
card,
stuff.
let's put 'em in. Just read the names, John.
Oh, dude.
DK Metcalf. What's his name?
DK
Dad, I want to restart.
Metcalf.
Dad, I
Okay.
want
Metcalf.
to restart.
All right, hit the red button.
It keeps going again.
Hunter Henry.
No, it'll be way
He's
easier because I just showed a bar
Oh,
that
sorry.
it shows all of them.
We got Hunter Henry.
Oh,
Baker May.
He's
Field.
awesome.
yours.
Baker Mayfield.
Yeah. Baker Mayfield. Josh Jacobs.
He's awesome. He's a good running back.
Oh, nice. Jonathan Taylor.
He's awesome. He's one of the best running backs.
Oh yeah.
He plays for the
Brian Robinson
Oh.
Colts. Yeah, he's really good. He's the quarterback. Hey, stop.
Jr. Rymore 7. So, can you read this?
Ramondre Stevenson. Yeah, he's good.
So we got Ramondre
His name's
Stevenson. Alec Price. I can't read some of these names, Dad. They're so confusing.
Alec Pierce.
Yeah, I got
it?
your ball. Oh, I got your
We got
ball.
Alec Pierce.
Oh, chicken wing, hot chicken.
James Cook.
Yeah, he's good.
That's one of my friends' names. Like his last name is Cook and his first name is James.
Really?
Yeah. George Kittle.
He's awesome. He's one of the best players.
Oh my God, am I
You're just
lucky?
learning. You're just learning about guys.
All right, those are all the cards.
You're just learning,
I
right?
hope you enjoyed, everyone. And from now on, peace.